If I was going to play a trick on Mandip, it would be to suggest that there was either a massive spider on her or somewhere near her. If there was like an animatronic spider or something that I could like remote control across the floor towards her, that would make my life, because she would absolutely brick it. My favourite Halloween costume that I've ever worn was a 2-for-1 costume, and it was at one of my favourite ever things that I've ever gone to, which was season 12 wrap party, which was on Halloween, and hence was fancy dress. And my exterior costume was Po from Kung Fu Panda, which was brilliant. Quite hard to see. My head was massive. I was really sweaty. Couldn't really see out of it. But then when I got too hot, I then could take it off, and underneath I was Sia. So both of which disguised who I was in public, which meant for a less stressful night out, but both equally as fun and comfortable. So I can highly recommend both. My brother was absolutely vile to me as we were growing up, and he has played some horrific tricks on me. So to name but a few, what has my brother done? He was supposed to be babysitting me. He was like 16, whatever, and I was like 13. So he was supposed to be staying in, and he was like, "Don't tell mum, dad, I'm going out." And I was like, ah. It's like pre-mobile phones, and it was like, oh God, he's left me. But he hadn't. What he'd done is he'd put a long wig on, and he'd got onto the roof. We got a balcony at my mum and dad's house, and he got onto the balcony. So not on the roof, this wasn't completely bad. And I came to this big, dark, horrible window to a guy with long black hair banging at the glass. To say I was scared is an absolute understatement.